Microsoft Teams has recently released a feature that allows meeting organizers or presenters to create polls prior to the meeting and launch them at any point. This can be done before, during, or after your Teams meeting. When you send a poll, attendees will receive a notification on their meeting screens as well as in their chat window. To create a poll, start by opening your calendar inside of Teams, select your meeting, open Chat with participants, click the plus sign to add a tab, choose Forms, and select Add. At this point, we'll select Save, and a new Polls tab will be added to your meeting. Then we'll click Create New Poll, insert your questions and options for answers, and now you can choose to either share your results automatically after voting or keep responses anonymous, or both. Finally, click Save to keep your draft ready until meeting time.